Audi Q5 MMI problems can manifest in several frustrating ways. You might encounter a completely blank screen, total loss of audio, or annoying system lag that makes navigation difficult. These issues typically stem from three main causes: software glitches that develop over time, component failures in the MMI hardware, or simple problems like a blown fuse. The first troubleshooting step is performing a soft reset. This simple procedure can resolve most software-related issues and system lag problems. If the soft reset doesn't resolve the issue, check the MMI fuse. This fuse is typically located on the right side of your vehicle's boot or luggage compartment. Keeping your MMI software updated is crucial for optimal performance. Updates can be installed via USB drive or Wi-Fi connection and often resolve compatibility issues and system glitches. For persistent issues, a factory reset may be necessary. However, be aware that this will erase all saved data, including radio presets, navigation favorites, and custom settings. For those comfortable with car audio systems, optical loop testing can diagnose faulty components in the fiber optic communication network. This advanced technique helps identify specific hardware failures in the MMI system. These troubleshooting steps resolve most MMI issues. Start with the soft reset, check fuses, update software, and only attempt advanced diagnostics if you have the necessary expertise. If problems persist, professional diagnosis may be required. When basic troubleshooting fails to resolve your Audi Q5 MMI issues, advanced solutions become necessary. Wireless CarPlay connectivity problems often persist despite standard resets and require specialized approaches. Alternative solutions include switching to wired CarPlay connection, checking for phone software updates, or consulting Audi user forums for model-specific fixes that other owners have discovered. MMI module failures represent more serious hardware issues. When the module fails completely, you face a choice between expensive dealer replacements and more affordable alternatives from independent repair shops. Dealerships typically recommend complete unit replacement, costing between $3,500 and $4,700. Independent shops offer component-level repairs or refurbished units at significantly lower costs. DIY replacement is possible for those with technical skills and proper tools. However, be aware that infotainment units are protected by component protection systems, which may require dealer activation after installation. Component protection means that even after successful installation, the new unit may not function properly without dealer coding. This security feature prevents unauthorized modifications, but complicates DIY repairs. When advanced troubleshooting exceeds your comfort level, professional assistance becomes essential. Both Audi dealerships and qualified independent shops can provide comprehensive diagnostics and repairs. Professional diagnostics can identify the exact cause of MMI failures, whether it's a software corruption, hardware failure, or communication bus issue. This targeted approach often saves money compared to replacing entire systems unnecessarily. Choose repair shops with specific Audi experience and proper diagnostic tools. This ensures accurate problem identification and appropriate solutions, whether that's a simple software update or complete module replacement.